Here's to a great day.
Yes, before I get on the road, I thought I should get the oil change for the car. So here I am, and please wait, it says. We'll guide you in. So here I wait. Hopefully it won't take too long. Thank you. So check this out. I got it from my seat for just a minute, and look who gets it. So there's my little sweet pea. He's such an awesome cat. Good morning. I thought I would take you on a little walkabout with me through a very, very old apple orchard. This is Applecrest Farms, and the apple trees that are here are quite old. And it's a very large farm. They have a lot of varieties of apples. And they also have a little store where they sell hot apple cider donuts, which are really yummy. So let's go take a walk. Applecrest Farm, and I've been wanting to come here for a few days now to get some photos of the apple blossoms. This is the place I took my very first video to put on YouTube, and I've come a long way since then, I hope. It's foggy today, but that will kind of add some mystery to the apple trees and the gnarliness of them. And the blossoms. I'm sorry you can't smell the air, but everything is in bloom right now, and it's really quite beautiful. So let's go.
These are some old tractors that they put out for the kids to come and climb around on. It's really cute. And you can see over there, as the sun's warming up the ground, you can see the fog and mist rising up. This will burn off and it'll be a nice day. Later in the year, that's where they have the petting zoo. The kids get so excited. Yep, this is New England. So, it's nice. Here we are, and let's go and see if they have some hot cider donuts. And they've got all their flowers out already. It's quite foggy, which happens a lot since we're so close to the ocean. And it's interesting because it's like you can feel the mist hitting your skin. And all these beautiful flowers. I'm kind of disappointed that I'm not going to be here long enough to plant some geraniums in the yard. But they are beautiful. Look at how the leaves on this one are so red. As a child growing up in Miami, pansies were one of the flowers that would not grow. Well, of course, there's many flowers that we have here in the north that don't grow in Florida, but pansies, when I would come up, oh my God, look at those happy little faces. They're so sweet. And nowadays, they've got these little miniatures. I'm going to put my hand there so you can see how tiny they are. They're very tiny and very cute. And they've since come out with all of these other varieties, like the orange ones, which we didn't have when we were younger. How pretty that is with the dew on the petals. So here we are. This is Applecrest Farms. They have all these wonderful baked goods. Oh, yum. Look at those triple berry scone. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to go get myself a basket. But look at that. Oh my God. Loaded with berries. Oh, here they are. This is what I came for. Yum. Oh, they're still warm. Oh my God, I'm in trouble. So that was an expensive trip, but it was worth it. And look at that. So pretty. Which one do I want? I want the plain. I think I'm gonna go for the cinnamon. Yeah. Oh my God, it's so good. It's still warm. It's loaded with sugar. Okay, time to head back home. Get some work done. Please let me out. Huh? Oh, sweet. Come on. You want to go out this door? Come on. all of that, and now he doesn't want to move. You are so funny. The leash goes along with the open door, okay? You can't go out without your leash. No, I'm sorry. I want to keep you safe. I want to keep you safe.